ओम साई राम, जय साई राम आप सभी को। चलिए शुरू करते हैं एपिसोड नंबर 10। आओ बाबा को जानो। As before, even today, there are devotees of Baba who did not heed his orders and had to repent later or had to suffer. But Baba still remained with them. As a result, their behavior and character changed for the better, and they attained happiness. Whatever Baba says is for the well-being of the devotees. Now Deshpande, for venturing out of Shirdi, but he didn't listen. As a result, he met with an accident. Ahead on the road, on another occasion, Baba asked Malsapati not to visit his daughter at her in-law's place, right? But he did not obey the directive and first gave insult when he reached there. What was Baba's business with these worldly things? Have you ever thought of this? Still, he would indicate things only and only for the well-being of his devotees. Once Malsapati carried Baba's palki from Shirdi to Jejuri. That is Khandoba Mandir, where it is situated, Baba was present in Shirdi at that time, right? But Mahalsapati got tired on the way and rested his back on the palki. Just then, he felt that Baba was standing at the other end of the palki. When Malsapati returned from there, Baba told Malsapati that he didn't in fact come all the way, but Malsapati was resting. In this manner, even while physically being in Shirdi, Baba made a divine appearance or darshan at another place for his devotee. An ardent devotee of Baba, we all know Sri Nana Sahib Chandorkar, once climbed up the mountain to visit a temple there. On the way, he got very thirsty but didn't find any water. Nana Sahib prayed to Baba in his heart, after which there appeared a will, a person from a tribal community who brought water for Nana Sahib. The will went away after giving him water. Later, when Nana Sahib Chandorkar reached Shirdi, Baba himself asked, Nana, hope you got the water. There are many such experiences and we will endeavor to acquaint devotees of the miracles of Baba. Dasganu Maharaj used to perform Baba's kirtan. We all know that, right? But in his heart, he held a discrimination that he was a Brahmin and Baba a Muslim. Once he expressed to Baba his desire of visiting the holy place of Prayag. At that instant, water from the divine rivers Ganga and Yamuna started oozing out of Baba's feet. Dasganu did apply the water on his forehead, but he didn't drink from it. He did so because of a misconception. But he had to forego a golden opportunity and he repented doing so for the rest of his life. Here I want to emphasize that the Sadguru has no caste. His only religion is to bring together and never to divide. His caste is love, so is his religion. The masjid located at Shirdi is called Dwarkamai, where a holy fire of goodwill is burning. Where could one find a bigger example of tolerance and harmony in the entire world? Where could one find a bigger example of tolerance and harmony in the entire world? In my opinion, the most difficult task is to create a feeling of selfless love in someone's heart. Questions like, where does love come from? Where do thoughts originate? How does the power of thoughts work, etc., cannot be answered by any scientist but only by the Sadguru. This happiness can only be obtained from God. These days, only those who have God's blessings can manage to love selflessly. Have you noticed the honeybees? They are busy day and night collecting nectar. Later, the same nectar in the form of honey is consumed by humans. I'm not against building of a temple, but when people appropriate the act of building temples to themselves and claim to be its caretakers till their last breath, according to me, they have wasted the effort in building either a mandir or a masjid. If Sri Sai is within us, where is the need to build so many temples or mosques? Is God present only in incursions? No, God is also formless and He can be felt within us. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. कल मैं फिर आऊँगी एपिसोड 11 के साथ. जय साई राम, ओम साई राम.